Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's LLC Campaign Finance Registration System tutorial series. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create an account to register LLCs with the MEC. Certain limited liability companies, or LLCs, must register with the MEC prior to making contributions to Missouri campaign finance committees. Before you can register an LLC, you must create an LLC Campaign Finance Registration System account. Keep in mind, while the LLC may authorize any individual to register the LLC, only a member or manager or equivalent for foreign LLCs may attest the required information to the MEC. Starting from mec.mo.gov, navigate to the Help Center box, where you will select the LLC Campaign Finance Registration link. Click the blue Create Account button to get started. Notice how any field that must be completed contains the word Required. Enter your name, address, number, and the email address and password you plan to use to log in. At a minimum, your password must be 8 characters long and contain 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 digit, and 1 special character. Once all required fields are complete, click the green Submit Form button. You've now created an account with the MEC and are ready to register your LLC. This concludes our tutorial on creating an LLC Campaign Finance Registration System account. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Part 3, where we will demonstrate how to register an LLC with the MEC.